Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be seeing an option of Visual Studio Code which will format the code. Okay, I have opened this HTML file where indentation is not correctly done here. Okay, so there is one setting named format on save. When we enable that setting, as soon as you make changes in this file and save it, all these indentation will be corrected. Okay, let's see how. Okay, click on this gear icon. Okay, select settings. Okay, and type here format on save. Okay, select this checkbox. Make sure that you are typing format on save without spaces. Okay, close this. This setting is enabled. Close this. Now suppose I make some changes here. Okay, you can see that one this file is now tagged as unsaved. Okay, now if I hit Control S, or from the file menu if I save it, okay, you will see that all this indentation will be corrected. So I will be doing from file menu so that you can recognize it. Okay, let's do save here. Okay, you see that all the indentation is corrected. Okay, line spacing cannot be formatted with this particular setting. Only the indentation can be formatted. Just so if you know, if suppose I add multiple lines here, okay, if I try to save it, it is not going to format this. Okay, so suppose if it is in this way, okay, or anyway, like suppose few manual spacing we have added. Okay, if I do save, it is going to auto format this code. Okay, so with the save itself, it will format the code. That's all for this video.